Well, look at this. Kind of back here at the Ghetto Garage doing Honda stuff. It literally is a Honda shop. You got your EF, got the EG. There's an Accord on the carport. And that's a Honda Element out there, which is currently my daily. And we have another DA out here. So really hasn't changed. Still a Honda shop. And there's a Toyota, somebody's mom's car. This kind of takes me back. This might just be a precursor of what's to come this year. Might be going back into the Honda car scene. I still have my car. It is 2019, so it is the 30th birthday of my car, of the Honda Civic hatchback, Bluelight most commonly known as. So we'll see if we get that going this year and get back into maybe running and racing. Got some work to do, but for today we got another engine swap going. We got an old D15 there from the EG hatch that's being swapped out for a dual overhead cam ZC. ZC for you Americans.
Bottom left, actually, Mike. Bottom left.
And it's going into this hatch. It's been a long time, but I guess once a car guy, always a car guy. Never changes, especially when I come out here. The old dead D15. And there's a nice shot of the my favorite car right now. It's the Honda Element. I think I'm just gonna set this up to be a time-lapse video. We'll see.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
The ZC is in. As you can see, looks good. This should be up and running tomorrow. There's just too many little things that still need to be done.
Yeah.
I'm done. It's pretty easy stuff. D series, nothing difficult, but it brings me back. Brings me back to the old GGR days. That's Ghetto Garage Racing, if you guys don't know.
Still around.
Yep.
Still alive.
Yeah, there'll be more Honda work, hopefully this year. Possibly my car. Again, I mentioned earlier, it's the 30th birthday of my car, so it's got to come out. It's been in storage for, wow, maybe 10 years. Just sitting there. So I'll get that up and running. If you want to see that, if you want to see more Honda stuff, stick around, maybe subscribe. But if you're interested in seeing more of this kind of content. Just yeah, click subscribe.
Hit that like button.
And in addition, bike content is still alive and well. Epic Sax Productions, working on his Jixer.
What?
So it's day 2 today. Back at it. Back at the Ghetto Garage. 05 Element. Integra. Dave's EF. Oh, winter mode right now. Things a bit dirty. And back to the EG while doing the swap. Barring any big problems, this car should be running today.
Hopefully.
Yeah, we may have to go for a parts run. Rad hoses, all in different location. So a bit of a problem there. The Honda Accord, that is the baby mobile right there. Getting back into this Honda stuff. Shout out to Gizzmotorsports. Brought me back in a way, or trying to get me back. Like I said, I do want to get my car out this year. It deserves to be back out on the road. Gizzmotorsports. Check out his channel. He's got way better content than I do. He's pointed me out to all these Honda builds on YouTube. It seems to be getting pretty big up there. I thought the Honda scene was dead. But now I guess it's still going strong. Whole different generation. A lot of them can't even drive manual, so. But anyways, again, I thought that Honda was dead. I thought his whole Mighty Car Mods world now, all-wheel drive, Subarus, and they're all making fun of Hondas. So it's like it reminds me of back in the day when we were trying to prove ourselves with the domestic crowd, but we kind of got some of the respect with the times we were running. So we got that respect, but seem to have lost it to the rear-wheel drive drifter cars, drifter boys, and the all-wheel drive imports. So it seems like the Honda game all over again, but proving to a different crowd, to the younger crowd. Anyways, it's a whole generation. Also trying to get Raeneshadow. He's working on his CRX and putting that back on the road this year. So it's going to be really interesting. Check out his channel too, Raeneshadow on YouTube. It's all motorcycle stuff he's got on there right now. But yeah, the CRX is we're waking it up this year too. It's going on the road. So quite a few things going on in the Honda world, getting us back into the game. Well, you can see and hear. The ZC is up and running well, running smoothly. We've also burnt a chrome bin onto the ECU, a P29 bin OBD1, and that's where she's at. She's ready to go. And that'll be it for this video.
Epic Sax Productions.
Yeah, shout out to Epic Sax Productions.
Nothing but the finest.
Always here. So go check out his channel too. And that's it.